Speaking. I'm back again with another video. Have you have seen that already I've posted a number of videos, but now it's just that I don't know if you've realized on the first video, there's something I mentioned there. I simply said we are approaching a crucial time now in which we are simply focusing on exams. November is by the door now. So now we're about to enter that season of exams. And now the problem with these videos that I'm doing is that they are delaying so far. But we're going to talk about that. This video, it's a video that comes with great 5 facts when it comes to mathematics. Just secrets that you can use. I think I'm making a mistake by saying secrets, but not secrets, but simply ways and methods that can also help you when it comes to tackling your math exams. So now, guys, as you can see here, I have a notebook with me. Don't worry, I just want to make sure that I cover everything that is here. So the first one is simply us focusing on reading every question twice before you start solving. So now, I don't know if you've realized this. Most of the time, as learners, when we are about to write an exam, we have a certain aim. You find that we want to reach 50% or you want to reach 100%. So there are always two aims most of the time. So now if you can take a look, most of the time some mistakes we do them just by not looking at the statements. Statements, it's something that is crucial. You should make sure that at all times you look at statements, read statements, especially when it comes to analytical geometry, Euclidean geometry, as well as functions. Those, even trigonometry at some point, those they really need you to ensure that you read what is it exactly that you should do. Even if the diagram is there, do not just jump to the diagram, but look at the statement first. It's something that will always help you. Trust me. Just implement this before you write your exams. It will be top. Now let's move to the second point. The second point simply states that start with the questions you know best. Momentum is simply equals to motivation. Remember, guys, when you start with the ones that you know best and you see that, okay, fine, now I'm capturing these marks, trust me, that momentum will keep on increasing. And when it increases, motivation also increases. And then, as soon as you meet those questions that you know very well that they're a problem to you, trust me, when you get there, you're just going to nail them. They're just going to be top. Trust me, just implement this. Start with the questions you know best at all times. Do not just, this is a system. Yes, question one, we must start with question one, question two, question three. Understand? Even when we are counting, we start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand? So now you must understand that a system of question papers, you don't have to follow it at all times. Understand? Even if it means you have to make someone suffer when it comes to marking, just do it. As long as it will benefit you. You are the one who's fighting to pass. Just do that. Understand? Fight with those papers. Understand? Fight with the system. Doesn't mean to do it question one, then you need to start with question one. So now looking at the next point, the third one, show every step even when you think it's simple. Yesterday I was having a class with my grade 8 learners. So now they want to jump questions, jump steps. For example, look at board mass. Understand, board mass is something that really needs you to show each and every working. Grade 10, for example, FET 10, 11, 12. When you look at those questions that are based on trigonometry, those ones that are simply saying calculate without using a calculator, the trig ratios there, simplification that is based on without using a calculator. If you can take a look, it wants you to show all the steps so that you can capture more marks. So you need to be awake and see these things while they're still coming so that you are able to nail them once they're in your hands. So fight with these things. They're not difficult. You just can ensure that you make it. Now looking at number 4, double check units, signs, and final answers. Guys, those are main mistakes that are being done by those who are mathematicians. You understand? If you're doing maths, most of the time, operation science, they gave you a mistake, you ended up having that wrong answer. At the same time, I want you to understand, there's one thing that I want you to understand. When it comes to solve for x, for instance, you get solve for x, and the solve for x will simply say to you, solve this equation. You get your answer. Then why are you not why are you not taking this answer and substitute it to check if is it correct? Understand? 2x plus 1. Understand? They are saying it's 3. Take that x, if you get x as 2, take that x as 2, put it there. You will see that if you say 2 times x, it's just 4, plus 1 is going to be 5. Then it's no longer 3. Understand? So you start it again. It simply means you made a mistake somewhere. Do that, it will help you. The last one, stay calm, think smart. Just, it's a great one. Understand? It's a great one. Just stay calm, remain calm. This is one thing I always share with my learners. I always say this one thing. Guys, when it comes to an exam wants you to remain calm. Understand? If you remain calm, you will prevent panicking. Why? Simply because panicking leads you to making mistakes. And those mistakes will lead you to not fulfilling the aim of this exam. Guys, if you're having an issue, if you're having something that you wanted to ask about, or something you heard throughout the video, just do not forget, just comment down below and tell me, guys, what is it that you want us to talk about? Just tell me, I'll attend to it. Thank you so much for now. Do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much. Have a great one.